Chemicals in food. A number of chemicals are used as additives in our foodstuffs for 1. Their preservation, 2. Improving their taste, 3. Adding nutritive value. Let us take the first, preservatives. The chemical substances used to prevent the spoilage of food due to microbial growth are called food preservatives. Sodium benzoate is commonly used as a preservative. It is metabolized by conversion to hippuric acid. The role of preservative is mentioned in the syllabus, and which ultimately is secreted in urine. It is used as preservative for soft drinks, pickles, etc. Artificial sweetening agent. Diabetic persons prefer to use artificial sweetening agent which sweeten the food but not increase the blood sugar level. Aspartame. Aspartame is most successful and widely used artificial sweetener. Chemically, it is a dipeptide derived from phenylalanine and methyl ester and aspartic acid. Aspartame is about 100 times as sweet as cane sugar. It is unstable at cooking temperature and therefore can be used only in the cold foods and soft drinks. Saccharin. Saccharin, the first most popular artificial sweetener, is chemically orthosulfobenzimide. It is insoluble in water, hence marketed as water-soluble sodium or calcium salt. Saccharin is about 550 times as sweet as cane sugar. It has no calorific value and is excreted as such in urine. It is used as an artificial sweetener by diabetic persons, and it is a great value to all those who need to control the intake of calories. Sucralose. It is a trichloro derivative of sucrose and is about 600 times as sweet as cane sugar. Its appearance and taste are similar to those of sugar. It is stable and cooking temperature. Olitame. It is about 2000 times as sweet as cane sugar and more stable than aspartame during cooking. Antioxidants. The chemicals which retard the action of oxygen on foodstuffs and thus helps in their preservation are called antioxidants. Antioxidants are very important and necessary food additive. In fact, antioxidants act as a sacrificial materials. This is because they are more reactive towards oxygen in comparison to the materials being protected by them. Besides retarding the rate of oxidation of foodstuffs, they also reduce the rate of involvement of free radicals in the aging processes. The most important antioxidants generally used are butylated hydroxytoluene, short form BHT, and butylated hydroxyanisole, BHA. BHA is an excellent antioxidant for butter. It increases the storage life of butter from months to years. Sometimes BHT and BHA are used in combination with citric or ascorbic acid to produce more active effect. Among the other antioxidants, sulfur dioxide and sulfite are important. They are usually used as an antioxidant for wine and beer. Ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, and tocopherols, vitamin E, are also used as antioxidants. Match the following questions and fill in the blank questions normally used to ask from these sections.